Hey good people, Charity here. Welcome back. I have lipstick on my teeth to our channel, Blending Love with the Luchabeccas. There's Ava, Anaya, Ayana, Victor, and the lovely hubby who's over there trying to put the stroller in the car because we are about to head out. It's been a while, but hello again. We're going to take you guys with us. We are getting ready to go to a place called Botanica. Really beautiful place full of lots of beautiful scenery and flowers. And so just one of our vlogs. So, you know, come along with us, hang out with us for today. Just kind of see how we hang together as a blended family. My gel is not really gelling for my hair. And I got to figure out why I'm breaking out.
Okay,
but
Victor, go back there.
All right, so we're going to get ready to go. So come along with us. So we've arrived to Botanica. We have two sleep babies back here. We're gonna get everybody out the car and then we're gonna go inside, okay? All right, so we're here and we're having a crying fest already before we've even entered the building. All right, so we're here at Botanica and this one does not want to be in the stroller. So she's gonna hang out on my hip, which is usually where she's at. So I'm hoping it doesn't rain. It's looking pretty cloudy when the sun was out. So we'll see, but it's a really beautiful place. I wish I can garden, like, you know, like just look at some of this so far just coming in. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, haven't been here. When's the last time we came? Yeah, was that last summer?
Yeah, I think so.
So we had a girls' day, and so, okay, so. Oh yeah, and then we went and hung out at Blaze Pizza. So the last time we were here, it was just me and my girls. So we had a girls' day. So now we're back with almost the whole family. Our oldest is out getting some things done on his car. So before he has to go to work, he had to go get his air fixed or something. So we're back again with the whole crew, kind of. They have some like event going on though, so we'll see what's up. Okay, so guess we're gonna run into all these different Legos. I don't really see that many because when we came last time, there was like a lot of dinosaur stuff.
Yeah.
I liked the dinosaur thing. That was cool. Yeah, we saw what, one? Like a dragonfly?
We saw like a few posters.
I don't know if it's like, I don't know. Maybe we'll see as we keep going. I knew I had seen like a little advertisement for like the new exhibit, but I didn't remember what it was. This place is so peaceful. You guys hear that?
Oh, this is daddy.
I want to go swimming in that. You guys want to? Yeah. Okay, let's take a picture. Let's take a picture in front of the fountain. Old Cowtown? Anyala. It's a replica of Old Cowtown. Man, when we went at the museum, it was so hot. We were sweating like crazy. Man, we were sweating.
They're long stops.
Oh, really? Train's not running. No engineer.
She's fine.
No, it was super hot. When we go back again, we're not going on a super hot day. Yeah. I don't know. What does it do? Turn it. It says you can turn it. Turn water pot.
Whoa, weird. Anaya, look. Anaya, twist it. wanna see if I can go through like.
Moms, when you do that, it's like she's fine.
Until hold on,
When
hold
you come,
on.
then you
Until-
start whatever.
Until Dad go, oops.
No, do it.
Daddy will go fish her out of the water.
You. Oh, Daddy tried to feed you to the fish. Look at Nala. That's why I stayed in the stroller. Hated a zebra in the wild. My kids are on it. Be careful. You don't want to be attacked. There's a wild animal out here. We're just discovering all kind of animals out here. You guys, that's what we saw in Tanzania. This type of turtle, the Galapagos.
Oh. Are they
That's a Galapagos turtle. Nala, come back here. Come back here, Nala. Come back here, Nala. All right, so our adventure is done at the Botanica Gardens Park. Thankfully, we didn't lose Nyla to the savage goldfishes in the water. We're about to go. It's looking like it's gonna storm out here.
Yeah, that's
So, all right, guys, so we stopped home really quick just to, you know, eat really quick before we have to head out. My son has his first basketball practice. The summer season is starting up, so it's the first practice tonight. So we're gonna eat really quick, and then we're gonna head out. So yeah, so take you guys along with us at the basketball practice, and we're just gonna keep hanging out. All right, it's basketball time. So we're sitting here at one of our son's first basketball practices. Hubby's over there filming. We're almost done with our day today. We got back from the Botanica Gardens, ate a little bit, and then had to come out here to our son's practice. So we're gonna sit here and just kind of chill out and hang out in the bleachers while he does his thing. And yeah, that's it. We hope that you guys have enjoyed today's vlog and just hanging with us, just seeing, you know, kind of what we do. You know, I'm waving to my husband over here. Kind of what we do when we're just out and about hanging with the crew. Okay, so we made it back home and we're just hanging out in the backyard. So we're just gonna chill the rest of the night. Just chill out here with the family. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog and just hanging out with us. I'm chasing Twin B here, Nala. So out here chasing baby girl. She's scared of grass. So right now she's here on the pavement. But I hope that you guys have enjoyed rocking with us, hanging out with us throughout this vlog. I hope that you guys have a good rest of your day, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this. And till next time, be blessed, stay blessed, know that God loves you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, beautiful people.